Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I'm showing you guys my famous pepper jack mac and cheese. This recipe is so delicious. It's creamy, it's cheesy, yet it tastes absolutely the best. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave the channel. Thumbs up the video for me, please. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I begin, all the ingredients will be down below. Check that out. To get started, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. Now I'm using elbow shaped pasta. We're using about 1 cup of the pasta. So I'm just going to boil the water, which is plain water and salt. Of course, you can use chicken broth if you like. Once my water comes to a boil, now we're going to add the pasta. Once it's done, we're going to drain it out and set it aside. Moving on, I have about 3 tablespoons of butter here, unsalted. Once it's nice and melted, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour in there so we can make our roux. Okay, we don't want it to be too creamy, but we're going to add a little bit of the flour, not too much. Once you fry in the flour, remove any raw flour taste. We're going in with some cold milk. Now I'm going to season it. All right, I'm using Creole seasoning, paprika, ground black pepper, and I believe I added some garlic powder in there as well. All right, now I am going to add the pepper jack cheese. I'm using about 2 cups of the pepper jack cheese with about 1 cup of the yellow cheddar cheese in there. Once it's nice and thick, I'm going to pour it in to our pasta. All right, so before we bake it, you have to butter up your baking dish just so the pasta doesn't stick. Now we're going to pour the cheese sauce all over. When I tell you, this cheese sauce is absolutely delicious. All right, now we're going to make some little pockets and add the cheese in. Of course, you can add 1 layer of the pasta, then add some cheese, then add another layer of the pasta, then more cheese if you like, but I like to do it that way so you can be surprised. Now we're going to cover it with the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese, of course. Then we're going to bake it on 350 for 30 minutes. This is it once it is done. And there you have it, the most delicious pepper jack mac and cheese. I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's nice and creamy, and of course don't forget it's cheesy as well. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Also subscribe if you're new. Like the video for me, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.